And so that light has a field, and the closer she gets, the more energized these wands become. They're like helicopter rotors actually right now, and you can see the intensity. So imagine sleeping next to this lamp in your bedroom, and the energies are all going wild. And with the DNA in there, which could be from saliva, could be hair, could be nails, could be skin, could be photographs, signatures, anything that is your energy, we enter it in there, it will identify it. So you could be in a crowd of 1,000 people and I'll still find you. Hello, Richard Lewald. Thank you for watching our videos. And today I'm going to share something really unique, and you're going to see a presentation. But we got to remember that everything that exists is energy, consciousness. And everything that's energy is vibration and frequency. And everything that exists is basically a combination of different frequencies and vibrations. Ever since entering into it quite a number of years ago, but really in the last 3 years, with these tools, these wands that were really just gifted to me, it allowed me to discover so many aspects of energy, and it's changed my thinking, my way to evaluate. It has allowed me to go beyond the 5 senses, touch, taste, hearing, seeing, and so on. In fact, we have 105 inner senses that we have not even connected with. And the more we open up, the more we will be exposed to it. We don't see 96% of what exists, and we only see 0.0035% of the electromagnetic field. So we're really blind to so much that is in existence. And so now I'm going to share with you a very unique thing that happens. And I love being in this field because I'm working with real people, real situations, and so on. But I happen to be at a friend client's home, and she's dealing with some health challenges. And part of what has to happen is too that we need to check the energies within the homes. Very much like what you call feng shui. It's in existence for thousands of years, okay? These tools help me to discover the energies that are in existence. And when you have all these subtle energies, and again, the energies we don't see, okay? But they are in existence. But with this tool, it allows us to identify the nature of the energies. And so this particular person in the house that they're living in, there were areas that were very much out of balance, and I then do my normal routines to try to help balance the home. But the one bedroom that she was sleeping in, I couldn't balance. And I got the rest of the home balanced, but I could not balance this particular room, her bedroom. And you know, it's important to get a real good night's sleep, particularly if your health is being challenged, because sleeping time is healing time. And so it's very important where you sleep, what you sleep on, and then what else is in your surroundings. So your energy and all these things, everything being energy, you could have conflicting forces of energy in your presence, and then therefore it's disturbing your whole biorhythms and so on, and making you even sicker. So if healing is important to you, you need to take it beyond all these other aspects. Yes, good foods and maybe some good supplements and all these other things that you might be doing, therapies. But if your room is so out of balance, that could really work against all the other things that you're trying or attempting to do, is be healthy. So we need to look at it again from a holistic perspective, okay? Bringing everything into balance. So here I'm going to show you, as we stand in this park here on these grounds, I'm measuring for positive energy, and when I point at the camera, you can see it just stays pointed straight in this case, okay? So in these tubes, I'm asking it to check for positive energy. And so you can see this beam pointing just straight forward, stable. Now, Yolanda here is going to go to the car, and she's going to remove an object that I actually pulled out of this lady's room. So while Yolanda is going in and getting it out of the car, you'll watch as she is walking towards back with the object, which happens to be a lamp. But what was unique is that as I walked into the house and walked into this room, right away the lamp caught my eye, and I found something strange about the energy. I just felt it. And it's your intuitive nature that starts to develop more and more once you start being open to energy. So there's Yolanda, and watch what happens. So we're very stable now, but as she's walking closer with that lamp, you can see how the wands are starting to change. So everything that is energy has a field, and so that light has a field, and the closer she gets, the more energized these wands become. They're like helicopter rotors actually right now, and you can see the intensity. So imagine sleeping next to this lamp in your bedroom, and the energies are all going wild. Okay, like,
does it tell you if this is good or bad energy?
Well, this is a very, the way I pick up on it is very disturbing energy, okay? Like you can tell, like there's just way too much energy. When you sleep, you want it to be calm, and it's certainly far from being calm. And again, other than seeing that light, if you walked in with the normal eye, okay, remember again, we only see 0.0035% of what is there and what becomes real to us. That lamp might become a wonderful thing for you. And it's wild energy. So certainly not an object for a bedroom. I'm not sure if I would want to have something like that within my house at all, period. But maybe if you throw a wild party, it might add to the energy. So anyways, I retrieved this lamp to do this particular video, and just to show you, right? You don't see the energy, but now you see the energy with the wands. So if Yolanda was to walk back to the vehicle again, watch as she's walking away, how the energy starts to calm down. Because this spark has a calm space. Okay?
Wow.
So it's so easy to be deceived. So all matter exists out of energy. Okay? So, and you can see that as she puts it back into the vehicle, that's it. Calms down. It's disappeared in the vehicle.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, it is truly amazing. And I was just literally blown away from that experience. And it's just sharpened my senses even more so, walking in, looking at things. It gets you to look at everything with a different eye, okay? Your third eye, whatever, you know, your senses. And again, like I say, we operate generally with just our 5 senses, but when we become more sensitive and we start to open up, there's these 105 other senses within us, okay, that allows us to kind of pick up and stuff. And so, who knows the possibilities, right, of things? Never say impossible, right? Because simply just is the way that you kind of look at things often might make it look impossible. We come from a source of energy. The whole universe is energy. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this, learned something from it. Myself, I learned tremendous amount, and I look forward to learning more. Love to share this with you. Subscribe to our channel, Bioenergy Wellness Care. If you have questions or comments, leave them below, okay? I don't know all the answers, but I certainly will try. Thank you for being with us.